So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to insert your Windows bootable USB, and you want to boot up Windows using the Windows bootable USB, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, which is the Windows installation screen, you want to click on Next. Now you want to click on Repair your computer, which will now bring us to here. Now you want to click on Troubleshoot, and we have two options we can go with. So for the first method, you want to click on Start Up Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC, wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you, and it should now allow you to boot up Windows again, and then this should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then for the second method, you want to click on Advanced Options, and then click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Command Prompt. And now this will come up. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan, now and click on Enter. And now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you just want to close out of this. Now you want to turn off your PC, turn it back on again, and then this should now fix your problem.